One factor that's fueling the real estate market right now is the change in lending rules that will take effect in a week and a half. That's when mortgages will get a little tighter and you'll have to pay them back faster. And a sales surge was expected as many first-time buyers move quickly to beat that deadline. Andrew explains why.
Vancouver real estate doesn't seem to be cooling down, and for first-time home buyers, it's about to get even more difficult to plunge into the market. On March 18th, new lending rules will apply. The federal government will reduce the maximum amortization period for government-insured mortgages from 35 years to 30.
It's not a bad thing. When you have 30% of borrowers in the last 3 years since they've been available going into longer amortizations, you have to look at the reason why people get home ownership is for security and affordability. And if a market changes, you want to ensure that people can still have control of their home. And that's why they have their home in the first place. So this protects people.
The new rules apply to potential buyers who are only able to put down less than 20% on a down payment. For example, for a $300,000 property with a fixed rate of 3.79%, under a 35-year amortization, monthly payments would be $1,285. Compare that with a 30-year amortization, monthly payments rise to almost $1,400. That works out to an extra $106 a month.
It might not take them out of the market completely, but they'll certainly have to have some consideration to the lifestyle that they have and possibly won't be able to have that extra dinner out a month.
The reason why the federal government is scaling back is to keep Canadians from swimming in debt and to avoid the economic catastrophe south of the border. In addition, the move is likely to prepare for higher interest rates.
Okay, so a lot of first-time homebuyers looking at properties like this one.
Yeah.
For real estate agents like Karsten Love, clients are trying to beat the looming deadline. For those that don't make it, they'll have to make some tough decisions.
They're going to have to decide that are they going to wait and try to save up more money, wait for their income to rise so that they can, again, afford the property that they wanted to buy, or do they buy right away, but the lesser property, a property that they weren't expecting to buy.
It may seem like a compromise now, but it could mean avoiding a financial disaster in the future.